In this video, we'll explore the fundamental concept of calculus, including limits, derivatives, and integrals. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this tutorial breaks down complex topics into easy to understand explanations with practical examples. We will cover how to find the derivative of a function, understand the meaning of limits, and apply integration techniques to solve real-world problems. By the end of this video, you will have a solid foundation in calculus that can help you excel in mathematics, engineering, or any field that relies on mathematical analysis. The first one here is limit. What is limit? A limit describes the value a function or sequence approaches as its input approaches a certain value. The idea is that we are getting very, very close to this value, but not quite reaching it. For instance, we have limit as limit of f of x as s approaches a is c. That's the way it's read. For example, if I have this limit of x raised to the power 3 minus 27 over x minus 3 as x approaches 3. If I plug in the value of 3 directly here, if the value is exactly 3, let's see what we have. Now, this is equals to limit of 3 raised to the power 3 minus 27 over 3 minus 3 as x approaches 3. This gives us what? Limit 27, 3 raised to the power 3 is 27. That means 3 times 3 times 3. That's the meaning of 3 raised to the power 3. That gives us 27 minus 27 over 3 minus 3 as x approaches 3. Now, this is equals to 0 over 0. What does this mean? It means the function does not exist. But if I do a little bit of algebra here, or let me put it this way, if this x is getting very close to 3, but it's not exactly 3, would the function exist? That's what limit is all about. Let's say the f of x is 2.9, getting very close to 3, not exactly 3. That's the meaning of x approaches 3. Let's look at the limit. Here we have limit of 2 raised to the power 9 raised to the power 3 minus 27 over 2.9 minus 3 as x approaches 3. What do we have? This is equal to 24, 2 raised to the power 2.9 raised to the power 3 is 24 here, 0.389 minus 27 over 2.9 minus 3. What does this give us? Here we're going to have minus 2.611. If you subtract 27 from 24, you have minus 2.611 over 3 minus 2.9. That gives us minus 0.1. Dividing this value with this value, we'll have 26.11. You see? Can you see? So the value getting very close to 3, the function exists. Either from 2.9 or 3.0, outside 3 exactly, we have the function existing. So we can say that limit helps you to evaluate a function. It will allow you to see what happens as x approaches 3. Right. you are following me. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mathematics tutorial. This is what limit is all about. Thank you.